Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening Roblox on a browser and go straight to Library Right Arrow Audio. Search the track or creator name, then open the audio's detail page. Once there, inspect the URL or the page's asset ID field. This numeric sequence is the song ID you need. You do this because the URL/asset ID maps directly to the audio asset in Roblox's catalog, making it reusable in Studio or in-game. Make sure to copy the full number exactly. Next, verify an extract ID using Roblox Studio or the in-game console. In Studio, insert a sound object, paste the audio URL or set sound ID to RB's assetted, / plus the number. Press play to confirm the file loads. Once done, you'll see the exact ID used. Alternatively, join a game playing the track, press F9, and search for sound objects in the developer console to read their sound ID. These methods confirm the ID and reveal if any redirections, or finally paste the numeric ID where you need it, scripts, GUI buttons, or the sound object using RB's assetted, / plus the number. Once applied, test in both Studio and a live server to ensure consistent playback. If you encounter errors, make sure the audio is moderated and public because private or pending assets return failures. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback shows ID 0 or silence, recheck the asset's moderation status and owner permissions. Often resolving privacy or moderation fixes the issue immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.